guys, it's TLD day 20. I need you to get your math work for day 20, get your number line, and make sure you're ready to go. Again, since some of the videos earlier in this week were so long, I'm hoping to make this one super short, okay? All right, let's look. Make sure you got lesson 65. This is the second part of 65, okay? All right. We're not going to do this section because you all do really well with that. All right, I do want you to do this one. Let's read this number. Ready? 16. 16. Try to fill that one out. Ready? 16, 17, 18, 19. If you know it, write it. All right, count with me. Ready? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, you should know what's next. Ready? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22. All right? All right. Let's read this one together. Ready? 46. Ready? 46, 47, 48. I hope you know it. Say it, say it, say it. 49. All right. Ready? Say it with me. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Look, 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay, finish those last two. Ready? 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I hope you know it. 51, 52. All right. This one you know. You can do it. Let's say it. Ready? 32. 32. Okay, go. You can do it. All right, ready? 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep going if you don't have it. So say it. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, I'll give you a second to get that done. Okay, if you need to pause the video, do that. I'm going to erase and we're going to look down at the bottom, okay? All right, I am going to shorten this today. Let's cross out these two sections. And let's cross out these two sections. I just want you to do these 6 problems right here. Okay? So you can stop the video and do these right here. Or you can hold on to the end to do those problems. It's up to you. When you're ready, get your time sheet out, okay? All right. Now, guys, this is kind of tough, so I want you to listen. Using AM and PM. Remember how I was telling you, like yesterday, At 3 o'clock in the morning, you're still asleep, which is a.m. all morning. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, you're getting on the bus to go home from school. That's p.m. So you have to know what's a.m. all morning or p.m. Okay? So we use a.m. and p.m. to tell what part of the day or night we are referring to. We use a.m. to talk about the time between 12 o'clock midnight and 12 o'clock noon. We use p.m. to talk about the time between 12 o'clock noon and midnight. Gosh, that's a lot to remember. So let's just do some practice, and then hopefully we'll start to get the hang of it, okay? So let's move to the directions. Decide whether the activity would occur in the a.m. or the p.m. Circle or highlight your response. Okay, we're going to move this up, and we're going to do these together, okay? All right. Completing homework. So homework is when you get home from school. So is that a.m. all morning or p.m.? It's p.m. because it's after school, isn't it? All right. Eating breakfast. Now think, you eat breakfast in the morning, so that's going to be a.m. all morning. Making your bed. So when you get up in the morning, and do you make your bed? I don't. But let's say when we get out of bed, you're supposed to make your bed. So that happens in the morning, right? So that would be all morning. Okay? Eating dinner. Well, eating dinner is like after school. You get home, you're home for a little while, and then you eat dinner. So is that in the morning, or isn't that in the p.m.? It's in the p.m., isn't it? It's not. We don't eat dinner in the morning, do we? Going to school. So you get out of bed, you get ready, you eat breakfast, and you get on the bus to go to school. That happens in the morning, right? So that's going to be a.m. all morning. All right. Bedtime. Bedtime is when you've got home from school, you've done your homework, you played or watched TV, you ate dinner, maybe took your bath, brushed your teeth, and you go to bed. Is that in the morning or is that in the p.m.? That's in the p.m. All right. When you're ready, flip it over. Alright, now here's what we got to do. I'm going to be able to do a little bit of this with you, but then you'll have to match up the rest of them, okay? Now look at here, let's read this clock. It says 10 o'clock. Do you see 10 o'clock on this side? I do. So all you have to do, draw a line. Do you see 10 o'clock on that side? I do. It's right here. All right. Ready? Let's read it. 11 o'clock. I see 11 o'clock on this side. So I'm going to match it up. 11 o'clock. No, that's not it. That's not it. Oh, it's all the way down there. Can you match it up down at the bottom? I can't move mine. Okay? So draw your line down to 11 o'clock. Okay? I think it's all the way down there. All right? Now look. This one's pointing up to both of them are pointing to the 12. So it's going to be 12 o'clock. Is the 12 o'clock down here? Draw your line wherever it is down there. I can't move my paper. Okay? This one says 12 o'clock. I see 12 o'clock over there. Alright? Now Now you have a couple of to match up. I want to pause just for a second, and I want you to go ahead and match up the rest of them. Just take a minute. Just look at what the little hand's pointing to. Okay, when you have it all matched up, I want to show you what to do for our social studies today. Okay, guys? All right, day 20. It says, on a piece of paper, describe 5 facts that you learned about Kentucky. Which is your favorite fact? Explain why is it your favorite. Okay. Now, guys, you can just talk about like we've done every day. You can tell mom or dad the easiest or the first thing you think of when you learned about Kentucky. Tell one fact that you know and they can write it down, or you can just talk about it, talk about what you've learned about Kentucky and have mom or dad sign off on it. You can also look at the fact sheet that they've got today. It looks a little different, so let's look at it. Here's day 20, and here are a group of facts. It says below, use all the information you read about Kentucky and write 3 facts you like the best and tell why. Well, again, same thing. Tell mom or dad one fact, have them write it down for you, or you can just talk about it and they can sign off on it, okay? All right, guys, that's it for, I hope you have all your TLD work done for this day, or for this week. I really miss you guys. You all take care, okay?